Hello guys, welcome back with me, Ciao Ciao 2025. Today we're going to learn about how to generate music with AI using text-to-music program that is Open-MusicLM by zhvng. This is how to create a music using only text. It will not generate lyrics, and for now I don't use any GUIE. But you can always use JupyterLab for that. Optional step is to check the project on GitHub. Access the project site in github.com/zhvng/open-music-lm, link also in description. After you sure you want to install, open your command prompt using cmd or access the folder where you want to install and open cmd there. Write this line on cmd. Git clone https://github.com/zhvng/open-music-lm.git. I put the script in description, just copy-paste it. After that, enter the folder by writing cd open-music-lm. Now we will install all the requirement. Write this line. Python setup.py install. Installation will be going to download and install a bunch of file. Just take your time. After the installation process finish, we need to download the model. Create a new folder called checkpoints in Open-MusicLM. Now access the model link in the description. Model link you could also find in the project GitHub. Put the JSON file in configs.model. Now all already set up. To generate a music, you should write this thing on the command prompt. Make sure you are in Open-MusicLM directory. You could copy-paste from the description because it's a long one. Okay, the prompt in this case is piano pop. The result will be save in result folder. The name of the file will be the same with your prompt. So if you generate the same prompt, it will be replaced. It is recommended to have 4 number of samples, but with my RTX 4060 Ti 16 gig, it feel really slow, so I decide just to use 1 sample instead. Here are a few examples. Remember, the first generation will be very slow because it will download a few files. For a duration of 10 seconds, it take 10 to 11 minutes. So for me, this thing is very slow. The result also feel not really good. I don't really recommended this for its current state. Obviously, I am not expert on this, and I might use wrong setting or model that are too big for my system to handle. Also, I don't really understand how to create good prompt for this, but the generation time is something that I couldn't handle. Please inform me if you know any good setting. I will try using magnet on future video. Anyway, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.